Okay, today I'm throwing out the Hotbodies Fender Eliminator kit for the ZX10-R 2011. Basically, I didn't like the way this thing sat inside it. It was the light wasn't very bright looking at it from behind, and basically the thing gets all scratched up because there's it allows the dust in. Alright, dust and little grains and stuff, and over time this rubs on it. The light that you put on the inside rubs on it, and you can see the light's all scratched up. You can see the Fender Eliminator piece is all scratched up. So flat out just didn't like it. Furthermore, I thought it was really cheap and flimsy, and it started cracking, so I'm just throwing this out, and I've got a replacement for it, and I'll show you that now. So now I put in some sequential turn signals from Motodynamics, and a custom LED from Custom LEDs. The Motodynamics turn signals are a little bit smoked, but you can see the light very well. And then the tail light, brake light, is very bright. You can see that. And when I hit the brakes, it's very, very bright, and it flashes to catch that attention. Also, I've got a Yoshimura Fender Eliminator in there, and I think everything works really well together. So you can see all the turn signals work really nice. They're highly visible from the rear. No worries whatsoever. So looks good. I like it. I'm happy with this setup. Again, that's custom LED from Custom LEDs, and sequential turn signals from Motodynamics, and the Fender Eliminator kit from Yoshimura. Overall, a nice clean setup.